Swift mobile application. Business mobility, telecommuting, and virtual offices have been on the radar for a while. In your car or at a restaurant, your office is always at the tip of your fingers. To get started, install the Swift mobile app on your smartphone. Go to the App Store, Google Play to download the BizSwift app. The Swift mobile app, that way, your mobile number remains private and hidden. Listening to voice messages has never been faster and easier. When a customer leaves a message on your office number, you receive an alert. A short transcription of the message gives you an idea of its content. Tap to listen to the message, call back or send a copy to a colleague. Whether it is a voicemail, a fax, or a recording, the mobile app makes it easy to share it via email. All your communications are centralized. Your voice directory is voice-activated because the assistant establishes communications using voice recognition. Tap and speak to call a contact or colleague or to listen to your messages while driving. Who do you want to talk to? Call Bob Freeman. I am calling Bob Freeman on the smart number. Is it okay? The app's web phone allows you to communicate with clients and colleagues around the world. And remember, the Swift virtual assistant is always available to provide you with more control of your communications and your time.